video. This is me. The last day at work. I'm vibing on the roof. This is a perfect video with sun, with perfect view and beginning of something, the best thing. Go check it out. Enjoy! Wow, I had also some company, I wasn't alone. Let's the fun part begin. I also saw the beautiful city Piran with sunset and peace and just like the beautiful view. I can't wait to see it more often. I look forward to. Last photo, so we see us tomorrow. Wake up, Hyacinta, good morning. Okay, we are seeing it. What's on my right side? Okay, this. What's on the other side? Oh my god, it's morning. Okay, let's wake up. So this was my view out of my bed. It was nothing special, but everything else was special. Almost seeing it. Yes, this was my bed, my everything for the night. I can't wait to do it again. When you want to really soak up everything in that moment, just stop and enjoy the view, the sea, wherever you are. Take care and enjoy, and I hope you like the video. Ciao!